Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by picking clips that match resolution and frame rate so the split looks clean. This avoids scaling artifacts. Once imported into your editor, organize and label left and right takes to speed editing. Create a new sequence set to your target aspect ratio and resolution, then drag both clips onto separate video tracks. Make sure audio tracks are separated if you need independent fades. This groundwork prevents headaches later and keeps visual balance. Now you position and mask each clip. Select the left clip, reduce scale or crop the right edge, then move its X position toward the left. Repeat mirrored on the other clip. Once done, apply a rectangular mask or a built-in split screen preset and feather by 5 to 10 pixels so the seam isn't harsh. Make sure clips are time-aligned. If one lags, trim or nudge frames or adjust speed to match action. This keeps focus and maintains rhythm. Finish by adding a subtle divider or drop shadow to define the split. This guides the viewer's eye and hides small alignment issues. Once done, balance audio, lower one side or duck with sidechain so voices don't compete. You can also create a single combined stereo mix. Export using the same codec and resolution as your sequence for consistent quality. If playback shows glitches, make sure clips share frame rate and that GPU acceleration is enabled.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.